Perhaps you'd like to write just a decimal number without any whole numbers that preceded it. You might be tempted to just go 0.7, but for clarity's sake, to communicate well and have no confusion that there might be some whole numbers that are missing, usually a 0 is placed before the decimal point and then the number itself. So this is actually the better way to communicate the 7/10, which could be written 7/10. Again, we've got that TH on the end of that word, 7/10. As a fraction, it would be written as 7/10. What if we added another number to it? Maybe we could do a 5. 75. Now we're going to look to see what label the column is in from the last number, the 5. It's in the hundredths column, so we would write hundredths with a TH on the end of it. And the fraction for this particular decimal would be 75 hundredths. The denominator takes the name of the last column. The number itself, the 75, is the numerator, or the top number of the fraction. All right, let's add a 6 to this. Now we would write 756. I'm going to look to see what column the very last numeral, the 6, is in, and that's in the thousandths column. So this would be thousandths with a TH on the end. So it's 756 thousandths. And then the decimal, or the fraction for it would be the 756 would be the top number of our fraction, or numerator, and the denominator would be the label of the column, thousandths. I should put some S's on this, I think. 7/10, 75 hundredths, 756 thousandths. You can imagine if another number went on to that, perhaps we'll use a 3. Back to our board. Now we have 7,563. 7,000 500 63. Okay, now we're going to look for the column's name. Now it's in the 10,000ths column. So here's the label, 10,000ths. Woo! 7,563 10,000ths. This is the column label. This is the column label. Here's our column label. So we have our number, 7. We have 75. Here we have 756. And the last one we did, 7,563. And then the column's name, 10,000ths. In numerals, we could write 7,563 is our numerator of the fraction, and the denominator is the 10,000ths.